Are you ready to unlock the power of AI and technology in 2025? Welcome to Future Tech Hub, where we make the future simple for everyone. Here, you'll discover the best free AI tools, simple tech tutorials, and powerful productivity hacks that will save you time and boost your skills. Whether you're a beginner exploring ChatGPT or a creator looking to grow with AI, we've got you covered. AI is changing the world faster than ever. But did you know you can use some of the best tools absolutely free? Today, I'll show you 5 amazing AI tools in 2025 that will boost your productivity, save you time, and maybe even make you money. Let's dive in. First on the list is ChatGPT. It's not just for answering questions. You can create content, generate ideas, write scripts, and even code. With the free version, you already get a powerful assistant in your pocket. Second, Canva AI. Perfect for creating stunning designs in minutes. From YouTube thumbnails to Instagram posts, it turns your ideas into professional designs instantly. Third, Notion AI. If you want to stay organized, this tool is a game changer. It writes meeting notes, summarizes documents, and helps you plan projects faster than ever. Fourth, Runway ML. This free AI video editor can remove backgrounds, generate effects, and even create videos from text prompts. Perfect for content creators. And finally, Perplexity AI. Think of it as Google powered by AI. It not only finds answers, but also explains them clearly with sources you can trust. So those are 5 free AI tools you must try in 2025. Which one will you test first? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this useful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell, because I'll be sharing more AI hacks every week.